tutungin ahi teni kurse akizom nita khat sung beka tupiang hi iteng ngai ni.
It was a cross that was upside down. There was a lot of people. The flag, there was a flag. On the flag, the cross was upside down. I saw it yesterday. I was like, what is this? I didn't know it yesterday. I saw that flag yesterday. And then, when I saw it again, I was like, and I tried to talk to those people. I was like, don't go. It's dangerous. It's not good. It's not good for you. They didn't listen to me. No one was listening to me. No one listened to me. And then from that line, they enter the place. There were people jumping around in that place. They were worshiping someone else. They were praising someone else. And then there was this one kid. He held my hand. He was like, take me. He said, I don't want to be alone. He said, I don't want to be here. And I tried to pull him away from that place. I tried to take that kid, but I couldn't. I couldn't take anyone out of the place. I just can't. I was trying with all my might for a long time. To take them out of that place, to take those people, because it's not good. I know that that's not God. That's not where they're supposed to be. That's not people are supposed to be. That's not God wants you to be. That's not where God wants you to be. I tried to tell them. No, it was too late.
Okay, maybe next Saturday in the youth service you can share more without crying. Okay, thank you, Chiang Mai. God bless you. One B, I want you to share something.